Rhode Island Attorney General's office says Prospect Medical Holdings will back off efforts to close Roger Williams and Fatima hospitals.
In exchange, the AG's office has agreed to provide up to $3 million to hold them over while negotiations to sell the hospitals continue. Kate Wilkinson joins us live in studio with the latest.
Shannon and Mike, the Attorney General's office says the money will cover half of the hospital's losses for this past month, while Prospect works to get more concrete plans together by November 18th. Inside federal court in Dallas, bankruptcy judge Stacey Jerrigan signed off on what lawyers called an interim stipulation aimed at aiding Prospect Medical Holdings that's currently ramped up in negotiations in the sale of Roger Williams and Fatima hospitals. A lawyer representing Prospect made it clear Friday, "We want to do everything to save these hospitals." It was just last week when Prospect filed papers to have the hospitals closed by the end of the year or handed over to the state. The judge had approved the sale of the 2 Rhode Island hospitals back in February, but the prospective buyer Centurion had struggled to secure financing. Prospect says it can't wait much longer because it's losing $6 million a month on average. Back in court again Friday, attorneys representing Prospect and the state said they've reached a temporary deal, opening up $3 million from the state's hospital fund. Earlier this week, Attorney General Peter Nerona said he was open to dipping into the $50 million fund the office withdrew from Prospect back in 2021. Meanwhile, another potential buyer, Landmark Medical Center owner Prime, has entered negotiations.
Prime is in the mix. That's been brought to through Rick Charest, who's our Secretary of the OHSS.
An attorney representing the state told the judge Friday that this potential buyer is motivated to move fast. Yet the CEO of Centurion says it still has skin in the game. Centurion remains confident that our business and acquisition plan is the best solution for charter care and the entire Rhode Island healthcare marketplace. On Friday, McKee reiterated the state can't afford to lose 2 more hospitals.
We want to keep the hospitals open, and we're going to do everything we can to make sure that the hospitals stay open and they service the people, and we make sure that all the people who are working there continuously have jobs.
As part of the deal, the $3 million will have to be returned to the state once the sale is made. There's another court hearing scheduled for November 18th. Live in the studio, Kate Wilkinson, 12 News.